Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Tramontina brand. This is their very large size. This is their 14-inch non-stick pan. Has a lifetime warranty on it for manufacturing defects. This thing is huge and it's all nice thick aluminum on there. Beautiful. This is brand new. I've used these before for many years. Now this is the first time I've got this size, and you see it's got a beautiful handle on there that is locked in place, silicone double rivet right there. And I wanted to show you, I normally get the 12-inch pan, and I'm going to show you the size difference. It's very different. It's not as deep, it's smaller diameter. Now this is after a year of use. Yeah, it looks beaten up because we use this 5 times a day, but it still has non-stick qualities and it still works. So these pans last a long time. We use them like crazy, and they still work and work and work. That's great. So this company supports you. If you have any issues, you can contact them. They do have a simple instruction sheet and a warranty information on there. But again, this is the larger 14-inch beautiful pan, and if you're making a large amount of vegetables or pasta, anything, this is a large great pan to do it in. So I'm impressed with this brand. I've had them for years and I always use them, so I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.